Hello, hello, small kids. How are you? Today we will meet 10 yummy fruits. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is an apple. Apple, red and sweet, crunchy fruit we love to eat. Apples grow on trees. This is a banana. Banana, yellow and bright, soft and yummy. Take a bite. This is a banana tree. This is a strawberry. Strawberry, tiny and red, juicy and tasty. That's what I said. This is a strawberry plant. This is an orange. Orange, round and fun, full of vitamin C for everyone. This is an orange tree. This is a mango. Mango, king of fruits, sweet and tasty. Oh, what a hoot! These are mangoes. Watermelon, big and round, green outside, red inside found. Watermelon plant. This is a cherry. Cherry, small and sweet, two little cherries make a treat. Look kids, this is a cherry tree. This is a kiwi. Kiwi, brown and small, green inside, the best of all. Look kids, this is a kiwi tree. This is a grapes. Grapes in a bunch, sweet and juicy, munch. This is a grape tree. This is a pineapple. Pineapple, spiky outside, sweet and tangy fruit inside. This is a pineapple plant. Now let's play. Can you match the fruit with its picture, kids? Ready, set, match now. Now kids, you tell me, where is banana? Yes. Apple? Yes, very good. Kiwi? Yes. We have done it. Now kids, tell me, where is mango? Yes. Cherry? Yes. Watermelon? Very good. Good job. Now you tell me, where is the orange? Strawberry? Yes. Grapes? Yes. Pineapple? Very good. Thank you for watching our video. Bye bye kids. For more updates, please like and subscribe.